All right, amazing morning team MVP Eagle. So, our topic for today is all about the new I Am Worldwide Yep incentive. Okay, sino ba dito yung 24 years old and below, 18 to 24? Meron ba? Or if meron ba kayong mga downlines na 18 to 24 years old, very important na malaman nyo rin yung about dito sa ating incentive. Okay, so we are so grateful and we are so blessed sa I Am Worldwide kasi naglabas ng napakadaling incentive. So we have two ongoing incentives right now. We have our Youth Empowerment Program Cash Incentives 2026. So tandaan nyo po, dalawa kasi siya. We have 30 days incentive, so April 14 to May 13. And if ever naman na gusto mo, mas mataas yung mahit mo, meron namang 45 days incentive which is April 14 to May 28. Okay, so ang dami pong pwedeng mapalanunan from 5,000 to 150,000 cash incentive. So this is specifically for YEP para po sa ating mga 18 to 24-year-old. Okay, now, ano po ba ang mechanics? Number one, if you will avail the Cash Incentive 2026, the corresponding RQV will be deducted from the car incentive qualification. Take note po, dalawa kasi yung incentive. We have the cash and we have also the car incentive. Okay? Ngayon, kunwari, i-claim mo yung cash incentive mo, ima-minus lang siya dun sa car incentive, which is okay lang kasi 1 year naman yon. Okay? Clear po tayo dyan ha. So, residents of Metro Manila, Taytay, Cainta, Angono, and Antipolo are required to attend at least ilan? Paki-comment kung ilan. Dalawang IBP Unity, which is every when? This is every Saturday. Okay? And 2 Unity Day trainings, which is every when? Every Thursday. So, dapat po present ng Thursday and Saturday. Take dalawa. Okay? Choose only one incentive, no double hit. Yep, eligibility 18 to 24 years old. So, hindi pwede yung super bata at hindi pwede yung overage na. Okay, meron atang mga below 18, I think kailangan nila ng um, parents' consent or letter na they are really part of I Am Worldwide and they are doing the business. Kasi yung iba, di ba, pinangalan lang sa anak, hindi po pwede yon. Hindi pwedeng dummy accounts ang mag-hit. Yep, must be 18 or 24 years old at the start of the incentive period. Kasi for example, magbe-birthday ka, mag-20, ano ka na, gagraduate ka na, 24, magiging 25 ka na. Pero nag-start yung incentive, April 14 hanggang May 28, ano ka pa rin, kumbaga, part ka pa rin ng YEP, kahit magbe-birthday ka na, pasok ka pa din. Okay, clear ba yon mga mens? So, dapat 18 to 24 years old ka at the start of the incentive. Okay? Now, for us to remember, ano ba yung tinatawag na RQV? Kasi ito po yung gagamitin nating pang-compute kung ilan yung requirements sa kailangan mo i-hit. So, we have the RQV, rank qualifying volume. Pag copper, ilan? 100. Pag bronze, 200. Silver, 400. Gold, 1,000. Platinum, 2,800. Jade, 4,000. The higher the package, the higher the RQV. Okay? Ngayon, ano ba yung pinakaunang incentive? Simulan natin yung 30 days. So, from April 14 to May 13, 2026, take note we only have how many days left na lang kasi May 2 na ngayon, di ba? Okay, level 1. Ito yung malupit, mens. 5 direct wholesale package sold. Any package. 5 lang, may 5,000 ka na. Masarap ba yun mga mens? Masarap maging F, no? For example, may 5 kang copper, may 5 ka silver or mix. Pag na-hit mo yon may 5,000 ka. O, di ba? How about yung 10,000 cash incentive? 800 doon yung DR mo. For example, naka-refer ka ng 2 silver. The rest, pwedeng paired RQV. Kung panay copper yung pay-in mo, 16 coppers yung left and right. Kung silver yon 4 lang left and right. And then kung gold yon um, 2 lang, left and right. Kasi 1,000 ng RQV ng gold, di ba? Okay. Now, how about if you want to hit the 20,000 cash incentive? Same pa rin, 800 new DR, so dapat yun yung galing sa'yo. The rest, pwedeng team effort. 3,200 paired RQV. If sa copper, that's 32. Kung silver, that's 8. Pag gold, that is 4. Okay? Left and right, kasi dapat paired RQV. Are we clear on this, mga mentors? Can you type clear? Kung clear naman sa first set ng ating incentive. So take note po April 14 to May 13 ang timeline nito. Okay, so pagka sumobra ka ng May 13, pwede ka naman dito. Though mas mataas ito at mas maraming requirements, pero mas maliit pa din. Tingnan mo gusto mo magkaroon ng 100,000? Simple lang. No? 1,000 new direct RQV, parang isang gold. Naka-refer ka ng isang gold. Tapos, the rest, kung may team ka na, perfecto para sa'yo. Ang sarap naman maging YEP. 6,000 paired RQV, hindi pa nga sapphire no? 7,000 na sapphire Pero, meron kang 100,000. 'Di ba? Kung copper, 60 yan. Kung silver, that's 15. And kung gold, 6 yan. So, grabe, ang dali ng incentive. How about if you want 150,000? Okay? 150,000, kailangan lang is 1,600 new DR, yan yung galing sa'yo. Kung sa silver yan, 4, 8, 12, 16. So, apat na silver, then the rest team effort. Okay? So, 10,000 paired RQV, 100 copper, 25 silver, or 10 na gold, left and right. Okay? So, yan po yung pamimilian na cash incentives natin for the YEP. Now, question, is it clear? Clear po ba? Dalawa po yan So, we have the 30 days. Okay? And we have the 45 days. Ito po yung first set, cash incentive. Okay, now, paki-comment. Grabe. Paki-comment, grabe. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi hindi natatapos sa cash incentive. Meron pang tinatawag na, electric car incentive. Grabe talaga to, mens. Pwede ka magkaroon ng fully paid na kotse na electric car from I Am Worldwide kung ikaw ay 18 to 24 years old. Paano i-hit, mens? Very, very simple. Take note mga mens, sa isang taon to. 'Di ba? Ang sarap maging tama si Mentor Lee, Mentor Mike. Happy birthday. Sarap maging no? Tingnan nyo For all qualified members who joined before April 14, okay, the promo period for the YEP car incentive will run from April 14 to April 13. Take note, it's 1 year to hit. Yes, you heard me right. Isang taon siya. Okay, isang taon. Grabe. Parang ito yung pinakamadaling incentive ng YEP. Kasi mamaya makikita nyo, ang dali lang na requirements April 14 to April 13. Okay, yun yung ika-isang taon. Must purchase 1 bottle of Amazing Organic Barley Gummies monthly from April 14 to April 13. So, isang taon din. Yan lang ang maintenance means, isang barley gummies. Kahapon, ay hindi, nung Thursday, last day kasi ng maintenance yon, meron kaming hinabol na barley gummies na para sa maintenance ng isang YEP natin. Kasi, sayang Isang taon mo pa i-hit 'di ba? Kasi kapag di ka nakapag-maintain nung April, wala na. So, dapat wag mong papalagpasin yung chance. Now, para naman sa mga magjo-join, okay, magre-register April 14 to October 5, ang ika-isang taon nila is the time ng registration nila. Galing, no? So, ang ika-isang taon pa nila is the following year, kung kailan sila nag-join. Okay? Same pa rin, must purchase 1 bottle of Amazing Organic Barley Gummies every month from the time na nag-register siya for 12 consecutive months. Okay? Pwede rin ito sa 18 to 24 years old. Dapat 18 to 24 ka sa start ng incentive period. Okay, so which is April 14 to April 13 next year. Now, YEP must also complete 12 consecutive months of required monthly maintenance. So, bawal makamiss ng maintenance, otherwise, hindi mo mahihit ang incentive. Okay? Okay lang, 1 barley gamis lang naman Madali lang, di ba? Open to all packages, kahit ano pa, kahit copper ka, silver and up. Must be an active distributor. Mentors, by the way, check yung Facebook account ng mga nag-hit ng incentive. Kung 'di ba? Naga-IBP talaga or naga-IM worldwide or uma-attend if active. Kasi may mga cases kasi na join yung anak tapos hindi naman nagne-network, yung parents yung humataw, yung nagit ng incentive pero hindi naman naga-IM yung anak. So, invalid yun. Hindi pwede yun. Okay? So, dapat if ikaw yung YEP na nagit ng incentive, makita rin talaga sa'yo na actively mong ginagawa yung negosyo. Okay, dapat marunong ka mag-IVP. Okay? No overlapping with yearly lifestyle incentive program kasi we have our yearly incentive, 'di ba? If you avail your electric car, pwede siyang ma-deduct sa paired RQV mo. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo palang i-triple hit, na hit ka ng cash, hit ka ng electric car, hit ka rin ng yearly. Kung na-build mo talaga yung left and right mo. Okay? No overlapping of downline incentive. So, kapag may nakahit sa ilalim mo, i-minus siya sa RQV mo, which is okay kasi maliit lang naman yung incentive. If you avail the cash incentive 2026, the corresponding RQV will be deducted from the car incentive qualification. So since it's very, very, very easy, no, pwede mong mahit ang cash, pwede mong mahit ang electric car. Okay, so ide-deduct lang siya. Now, lahat po ng residente ng Manila at mga karating na province are required to attend ilan mga mens? 15 IBP Unity and 15 Unity Day trainings. Okay, so dapat laging present ng Thursday and Saturday. Clear? Must also attend EEA. Ito mga mens, yung hindi mo pwedeng ma-miss out. Must also attend Elite Executive Awards 2026 event and the 9th year anniversary. So para malaman talaga na active ka na part ng I Am Worldwide, of course, wala kang papalagpasin na event, right? With a minimum of 5 DRs for each event. So 5 sa EEA, 5 sa 9th year anniversary. Okay? So ethical requirement, no violation of any company policy during the qualification period. Choose only one incentive. Okay. Now, mga mens, paano ba ma-hit ang incentive? Ano ang requirements? So, isa-isahin po natin yan. Let's start with the first one. Okay? So, we have 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung makukuha mo. Ang cute, no? This is VinFast VF3. Ito yung level 1 na incentive. I think it's electric car. Kasi electric car yung incentive, di ba? So, ang cute niya, di ba? Ang cute ng mga yap natin. Nakaganito pagpupunta sa office. Ang cute. So, yan yung first incentive. Okay? Very easy. Requirement. 2,000 UDR RQV. 1 year to mensa. 1 year to hit to. So, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So, mga 5 na silver. Okay? For example, yun ang DR mo for the year. 5 new direct mover. So, yung 5 DR mo na yun, naging mover sila. Then, 32,000 paired RQV. Okay? 32 left and right. Kung sa silver yan, that's 80 left and right. Kung gold, that's 32. Kung platinum, that's 12. Parang 1 platinum per month lang yan. And kung jade, that's 8. So, take note, this is 1 year to hit. Okay? 1 year to hit ko sa 80 silver. Tignan natin. I-divide nga natin ang 80 divided by 12. So, parang mga 7 silvers per month lang. Para ma-hit mo yung level 1. Okay? Now, ito yung level 2. Ang cute, ang ganda. Medyo malaki na to, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng sasakyan. Alam niyo, nakakita na ako ng ganito dito sa sa Greenwoods. Oo, sabi ko kakaiba, yung napalingon din talaga ako eh. I think this is Omoda and Jayco, yung pangalan ng car. And then, if ayaw mo naman yun, pwedeng BYD Seagull. So, dalawa yung option mo. Either itong car na to, or itong BYD. Okay, then again fully paid, libre. Anong requirements? Okay? 48,000 paired RQV. Pero dapat may 2,000 DR ka. 5 of that, same lang sa kanina. ang direct movers mo, then 48,000. So, kanina, di ba, 32. Ngayon, mas malaki lang ng konti, level up ka na. 48,000 RQV, that's about 120 silver, 48 gold, 18 platinum, or 12 na jades. By the way, pwedeng mix. Basta ang total niya 48,000. Okay, for the sake of computation, kaya ako nilagay yan para mas meron kayong visual ng ano ba yung pwedeng requirements. Okay? Next, ito yung level 3. Tinignan ko yung mga kotse, kung anong itsura. Ang ganda rin di ba? Oh, yan. Or BYD. Ito, ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga nito. BYD Shark 6. Yung pick-up ng BYD, pero electric. Ang galing, no? So, yan po yung pwede mong mahit. Either of the two. EJ6 or Shark 6 ng BYD. Okay. Same, as you can see, same pa rin, 2,000 new DR, 5 new direct movers, pero 100,000 per RQV lang. Level 3 na to, mens. Okay, dati kasi, naalala ko sa last incentive, level 1 pa lang yung 100,000. So ngayon, ito na yung level 3, ibig sabihin, dinagdagan ni I Am Roulette ng mas madaling i-hit na incentive, hittable incentives. Kasi ito na yung pinakamataas di ba? Okay. So, ang silver, 250. Kung gold, 100. Kung platinum, 36. Kung jade, 25 jades lang yan. Ang sarap, no? Kung meron kang, for example, may mga leaders din sa international, no? Madali lang yung jade sa kanila. 25 left and right. So, 100,000 paired RQV, pwede yan. Okay? Now, for the electric car incentive, ito yung summary. Okay? Para mas may idea kayo. Okay, so level 1, parehas sila. As you can see, parehas sig to 2,000 DRRQV and 5 movers. Nagkakatalo lang sila sa paired RQV. So 32, 48, and 100. So, syempre, mas maliit yung requirements, mas konti. Yung kailangan, let's say, sa Jade, 8, 12, 25. Kung Platinum, 12, 18, 36. Kung gold naman yung market mo, 32, 48, 100. And kung silver, 80, 120, 250. So, ito yung summary nung diniscuss ko kanina. Pero then again, ulitin ko, pwede mong i-hit kahit ano. Okay? Kahit anong package, basta ang ending niyan, 32, 48, or 100,000. Are we clear? Can you comment clear? Kung clear naman po yung ating discussion, no? Now, I'm about to end. Patapos na agad. Pero just want to let you see yung bigger picture. Kasi ang goal dito is mag-hit ka ng rank up. If you wanna go fast and win fast, dapat ang focus mo talaga is rank up. Because when you focus on rank up, makikita mo, hitable na rin yung incentive. So for example, itong ating YEP, no? Meron siyang downlines na naging sapphire. Tatlong sapphire, magkakaibang kumbaga hindi magkakaduktong o hindi magkaka-RQB. Okay. Ilan ang RQB ng sapphire, mga mentors? Naalala nyo? 'Di ba? 7 plus 7, 14,000 points. So 14,000 times 3, ilan 'yan? 42,000 RQV. Sobra ka pa sa pangangailangan mo. 32 na yon. Imagine mo, tatlo lang yung suffer under you. Hit mo na to. Then, for example, sa Ruby, di ba, 20K, 20K, 40,000, that's more than also the 32K RQV. So, the goal in mind is to rank up and create rank up achievers under your team. Okay, so that the incentive will be easier. How about yung BYD Seagull? Okay? Level 2 naman yan. Simple lang din. For example, sa right mo, merong 4 na nag-sapphire. So, 14 times 4, ilan yun? Sobra pa, di ba? 14 times 4. That is 56. Sobra pa sa 48 RQB. Sa Ruby naman, 20 plus 20, 40. Plus 14, ilan yun? That's 14. 54 RQV. 54,000 RQV. Hit mo pa rin siya. By the way, it's 1 year to hit. Hindi ito ngayon lang. Isang taon to i-hit. So, it's really hittable. It's doable. Okay? Then level 3 is yung BYD Shark 6. Ito yung 100,000 RQV na simple lang. For example, meron kang na-build na dalawang nag-ruby, dalawang sapphire, hit mo na yung 100K. Isang emerald, dalawang sapphire, hit mo na rin siya. So, it's just means to say na it will become very easy if you will focus on building yourself, building your organization, your team, and hitting one goal, which is what? Rank up. Because when you hit the rank ups, you will hit the incentive. Okay? 'Di ba? Now, how do we start? Very simple. Anong incentive mo na yung target mo? Make sure you are qualified. Okay. Para po sa mga hindi na YEP kagaya ko, ang trabaho po natin ay maghanap ng mga ibibuild na YEP. Do you agree? Agree ba? Para sa mga YEP natin, focus nyo i-hit ito. Para sa mga hindi na YEP, kagaya ko, mag-focus tayo mag-build ng mga YEP. Kasi grabe yung opportunity para sa kanila. 'Di ba? Wag natin suluhin yung nalalaman natin. Kailangan i-share natin sa mga YEP din outside. Okay? Make an alarm for the monthly maintenance. So, kung meron ka ng binibuild na YEP, dapat aware ka dun sa requirements kasi mamaya baka ma-miss out niya, ikaw yung magre-remind. Okay? Make a list of all of your directs, left and right. Gather them for planning and goal setting. Be organized. Have a Google Sheet for monitoring. Ito kailangan talaga i-monitor. Though we have our online account, pero maganda i-check mo yun palagi and then you tally it sa iyong Google Sheet para organize ka. Alam mo kung ilang RQV na lang ang kulang kasi it's very hittable. Mens. Visualize the end before you begin. The reason why kinuha ko yung mga pictures ng mga sasakyan is because I want you to see na ito yung magiging sasakyan ko 1 year from now. Libre to, galing sa IM Worldwide. Yan yung magsisimula ng momentum mo sa negosyo. Di ba yung magkaroon ka ng resulta, tas libre, ang sarap. Grabe, no? Daily declare and imagine that you are driving now your dream car. And that's for free because of IAP. Have a quota of invites daily, of course. Bali, wala naman mga mens yung pag-hit natin ng target if wala tayong action. And we mean massive actions. Massive action daily. Invite your warm and cold prospects. So, meron naman tayong mga IBP, nandiyan naman ang mga mentors na taga-talk. So all you have to do is really focus on inviting. Never stop sharing I am worldwide. So that's the goal mga mens, no? Ang goal natin, maparami pa natin yung YEP ng Eagles. Makapag-invite tayo ng more YEPs na makapasok sa business natin. It doesn't matter kung anong package kasi kahit copper sila, pasok sila sa incentive. Kahit silver sila or what, ang importante, dumami yung mga kabataan natin kasi ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Okay? So, ito yung reminder lang natin, MVP activities. So, we have Monday and Wednesday. Ito yung online webinar natin, no? Dapat present tayo dyan. Every Saturday. Ngayon, Eagles Habit, no? Nag-iisa na lang yan, mga mens. Dapat attendan natin. Then, of course, we have our offline activities. First week and third week of the month, just like now. Meron tayong MVP Day. Okay? And sa IM Worldwide headquarters yan. And then every Thursday, we have the Unity Day. Every Saturday, we have the Unity IBP. Okay, so yan yung dalawa din na kailangan attendan ng mga YEP. And of course, we have our QC expansion and Antipolo expansion. Okay, balita ko magkakaroon na rin ng Antipolo Unity Day. So, balitaan ko na lang kayo once na tapos na yung mga nagmi-meeting for that. Pero, very exciting times ito for I Am Worldwide because we are getting ready for the second wave, 'di ba? Ito na yung mga new top earners, new leaders ang mag-a-arise. Kaya dapat 'wag kang papayag, no? Huwag kang papayag na mapapahuli ka.